An atmospheric river has unleashed torrential rain and widespread flooding across Metro Vancouver and the surrounding areas, disrupting daily life, including road closures and power outages, and even impacting voters heading to the polls during British Columbia's provincial election. North Vancouver and West Vancouver, in particular, have been severely affected, with emergency reception centers set up to assist residents displaced by the storm. North Shore Emergency Management has opened a reception center at Mickey MacDougall Recreation Center for those affected. The storm has overwhelmed drainage systems, causing overland flooding, especially near creeks and low-lying areas. Streets in Deep Cove were transformed into torrents, while roads like 21st Street in West Vancouver saw significant water damage. Videos on social media have shown businesses and homes being inundated, while rocks and debris have washed into urban areas. Authorities have advised the public to avoid travel, stay clear of rivers, and exercise caution. In Coquitlam, a homeowner is reported missing after a mudslide swept a house off its foundation. Elsewhere, highways and major intersections were flooded, with several vehicles becoming trapped in waterlogged areas. This atmospheric river, which is expected to bring up to 150 millimeters of rain, has led to multiple weather warnings and is expected to continue into Sunday. First responders and emergency crews are working around the clock to address the situation, with power restoration efforts ongoing as thousands are still affected.